been going to Scouts for?
6 years.
Oh wow.
And do you still go regularly?
Yeah, I go every Tuesday.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
So you go camping and stuff?
Yeah, I think we're going camping this year. But our Scouts leaders recently changed, so they don't have their camping on
So they can't take you on the camp yet?
So, but they're getting it.
Yes.
Are you sure? Do you have one?
Makes you ask you like her.
I find it very just interesting.
Me too.
It's looking awesome already. Doing great.
We both play as well. I think I was good. I will part it up for people.
I'm just recording your hand. I'm not recording you. Like that.
This is Teddy.
Oh, that sounds like 2020.
He says, clap your hands. Oh, it's Teddy. Nice.
Insane. Wow.
Yeah, which one? That one.
Oh, I love that. I want to do that one as well.
The Shelley Welly.
Sorry. No, carry on. No, don't mind me. That's so beautiful.
It's making my eyes go funny. Trying to draw all the lines.
Look at that. I love it. Thank you. Yeah, here. There's one.
And his face here?
Yes, I'm coming. I'm there.